Hi, I'm Mayor Pete Saenz, and I have a proclamation to proclaim, and it's on National Health Center Week in Laredo, Texas. And it's from my office here in Laredo, Texas. And it reads that whereas for over 50 years, community health centers have provided high quality, affordable, comprehensive, primary and preventive health care in our nation's underserved communities, delivering value to and having a significant impact on America's health care system. Whereas as the country's largest primary care network, community health centers are the health care home for 30 million Americans in over 14,000 communities across the nation. 1 in every 12 people in the United States gets their care in a community health center. Whereas community health centers are a critical element of the health system, serving both rural and urban communities, and often providing the only accessible and dependable source of primary care in their communities. Nationwide, community health centers serve 1 in every 5 residents of rural areas, whereas community health centers serve as beacons of essential resources and support in testing and treatment in the face of the global coronavirus pandemic, and will continue to offer reliable, affordable, high-quality care against COVID-19 for America's most vulnerable and underserved communities. Whereas every day, community health centers develop new approaches to integrating a wide range of services beyond primary care, including oral health, vision, behavioral health, and pharmacy services to meet the needs and challenges of their communities. Whereas community health centers are governed by patient majority boards, ensuring that the patients of each health center are engaged in their own health care decisions. Whereas community health centers are locally owned and operated by small businesses that serve as critical economic engines, helping to power local economies by generating $54.6 billion in economic activity in some of the country's most economically deprived communities. Whereas community health centers nationally employ more than 236,000 people, including physicians, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, and certified nurse midwives who work as part of multidisciplinary clinical teams designed to treat the whole patient. Whereas National Health Service Week, Center Week, offers the opportunity to celebrate America's over 1,400 health center organizations with over 12,000 service delivery sites. Their dedicated staff, board members, patients, and all those responsible for their continued success and growth since the first health centers opened their doors more than 50 years ago. Now therefore I, Pete Saenz, by the virtue of the authority vested in me as mayor of the city of Laredo, county of Webb, state of Texas, do hereby proclaim August the 9th through the 15th, 2020 as National Health Center Week in Laredo, Texas. Thank you so much.